Would you believe it if I told you that this song was completely created with artificial intelligence?
My holy place, my holy love.
The sound is so smooth and professional that most people don't even realize it wasn't made in a real studio. Right now, there are YouTube channels that get millions of views just by creating songs with AI. And the best part, it's not complicated at all. You don't need years of experience in music production. You just need to have the right tool. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create songs, covers, and even full music videos using a powerful platform called TopMedi AI. I had already made a video for this tool before. Back then, we worked with Model 4.0. But now, the new version, called 4.5 Plus, has been released, which is much stronger. In this video, I'll also show you how it works and in the end, make a direct comparison between the two versions so you can feel the difference yourself, and be sure you'll stay with us until the end of the video because this video has a giveaway for subscribers, and at the end, I'll tell you the conditions to receive it. If you already have song lyrics, this is the best starting point. Enter your lyrics in the box. You can arrange the parts as verse, chorus, bridge, and rap to make the flow of the song better. Then select the music style, genre, mood, and instruments. For example, you can choose pop, rap, jazz, EDM, or even orchestral. Then choose the voice and give your song a name. Finally, click on Create and the AI instantly creates several different versions of your song. Let's listen to the results.
My holy place, my holy love.
The result is so professional that it sounds like something straight out of Spotify. Not in the mood to write lyrics? No problem. With Prompt to Music, you just need to describe the song you want. For example, a cheerful summer pop song with attractive vocals about chasing dreams. The tool automatically generates both the lyrics and the melody, along with the voice you selected. That means with just one sentence, you have a complete song. This is one of the platform's special features. You can upload an image, for example, a city night skyline or a fantasy artwork, and the AI creates a song inspired by that image. Then you can adjust the mood of the song, choose the voice, and more. Let's use Van Gogh's Starry Night painting together. Let's see what the result is.
Underneath the swirling skies, we dance and dream so bright. Cypress trees like whispers tall, reaching for the night.
I don't know about you, but for me, the vibe it gives is strongly similar to the vibe of this painting. It doesn't stop there. With TopMedi AI, you can also create song covers. Go to the AI cover tool in the sidebar. Here, you'll find a huge library of celebrity and singer voices. You can reimagine any song as if someone else sang it. For example, upload an audio file or paste a YouTube link. Then choose a voice like Drake, Taylor Swift, or even other very famous people, just for fun. The AI processes the song and delivers a completely new version in that same voice. Let's check out some results together. Song without a music video? Impossible. TopMedi AI allows you to turn your songs into music videos. Use the image to video feature, upload an image of your subject, describe the scene, and the tool creates video clips for you. Then you can sync them with your song. There's also a fun new feature called Singing Photo Maker. This tool lets you upload a simple photo and watch that photo start singing. It's really cool for entertainment or making viral clips. You can, for example, upload your friend's picture or even a cartoon character and make a funny song. The best part is that starting is free, and if you upgrade, it's incredibly cheap, about $5 per week. With this amount, you can create up to 200 songs with no download limits. That's more than enough to run a full YouTube channel or produce large-scale content for social media. And that's it. With TopMedi AI, you can write lyrics, create full songs from text or images, make AI covers with celebrity voices, and even produce music videos, all in one platform. This new version, AI Music Generator 4.5 Plus, compared to version 4.0, is truly a leap forward. The new model is much more natural and lively in terms of sound quality, like it's recorded in a real studio. In addition, the track length limit has been increased, and now you can create songs up to 8 minutes. This means it's perfect both for short pieces like intros and outros, and for full professional tracks. In fact, 4.5 Plus not only improves the sound, but also gives you much more freedom for creativity. Good news for you! For my channel viewers, 3 free premium accounts are ready. This giveaway is active for 7 days, and after 1 week from the video's release, the winners will be selected and announced. So make sure you leave a comment to try your luck. So if you always wanted to make music but didn't know where to start, now you have no excuse. The link is in the description. Start today and try it out. I hope you enjoyed this video of mine. I try to introduce lots of new tools for you every day so you can stay up to date. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Until the next video, bye-bye.